What's up guys, Vlad from ASM Auto Life. Did a little bit of work on this Prius, painted the front end and both of the doors to do a color blend. And I had a little bit of a problem. I ran the crap out of the doors. Now, in this case, I could just sand and re-clear the whole door, but I don't really need to do that. I let the clear cure a little bit. It's probably been a month since I've done it, so I'm just going to sand it with 600, 1000, 15, and 2000, and then give it a nice buff, and we'll see how it turns out. And that's it. After the polishing work, completely done. Yeah, it's not completely perfect, but it's good enough for what it is. Quick fix, nice and simple.